Here is one of China's largest molten salt solar thermal power plant. Every day from sunrise to sunset, over 12,000 super mirrors will follow the sun and concentrate the sunbeam onto the 260 meters high molten salt tower to generate electricity every day.
The 100 megawatts power plant in Dunhuang, northwest China's Gansu province, works by using 12,000 mirrors that concentrate the sunlight onto a receiver at the top of a solar tower. It is designed to generate 390 million kilowatt-hours of power annually, which can reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 350,000 metric tons per year. When operating at full capacity, it can generate 100,000 kilowatt-hours of electricity per hour, enabling 1,100,000 watt light bulbs to work for an hour.
太阳能是清洁能源，清洁能源它没有污染，同时呢，它又能完成我们人类所需要的这个对电能的这种需求。所以呢，如果我们光热这个行业发展壮大，不仅仅是对中国，对全球也是一种贡献。